Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now and Majesty is going back and forth. They're having an issue with each other at the moment. So Dwayne is speaking about his side of the story, and he's also playing the information as well. So Dwayne is playing the tape that was made by Majesty. I guess he was having a live and it's been played. So run on to the video and catch the video, and please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know.
It's the same thing he wanted to do to the boys, wanted to do to me. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. I wasn't the type of person who loved likes and followers and clout and all of that stuff. People, I am happy. I am happy with the little people I have on my page. I swear to God, whether I get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views, me not care. People, I swear to God, me not look no clout. If and when I get clout, I am happy. But when I don't get it, me not care. Me not make them things that bother me. Listen to what he said. Listen to what he said and tell me if I'm telling you in a lie.
Lie. God,
listen to this. Listen. Listen.
Yeah, I mean, I look at my sister down and write up this card. That I know you're a Christian. I know you're not like what I swear. But me, I go do it. Me, I go break the sacred covenant.
Him sister, Dana.
You know, like when
kick you on your ticket.
God, me, I beg you. Thunder roll and pop.
Like Dana, see you?
So if me,
you use Dana.
God, more you burn down my shop.
Listen to this. Listen to him.
Down flat.
Listen to him. Share the live.
Down flat. If me ever tell that to do it. The most me ever promise to do it with that is that me can help you. Me never say nothing about sign over no page.
Alright.
Me never even say that to that.
Alright. So people, did I tell no lies on the man? Did I tell you? Me tell no lies on the man? Me never tell on him saying could I help me? But him probably don't want to talk about the other part in the talk there. But him did approach me and said him could help me. He said he would need it. Majesty, one thing I'm not is a liar. You could have cussed about my teeth till God come. You could have tell me something swell up till God come. You could have tell me say my foot scale till God come. You could tell me anything. I didn't tell no lies on you. That is, you see, remember I told you guys, I told you guys, right? If he's going to curse me, I'll make him curse me for the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. I knew he was going to come and curse. But I didn't think he was going to go to the level to how he went to today. You know what I realized with these people? They think they can bully me and calm me down and make me look like the bad person all the time. They are the ones who made you guys believe I'm one way when I'm really another way. But that's okay. The people who come in my life and the ones who actually took the time to get to know me, those are the ones I really want. I'm not running down. I'm not chasing the 1,000, the 2,000, the 3,000, or the 4 or the 5. I don't care for clout like that. I just care for the genuine people who actually likes me and I like them back. Right? So, Majesty, you know, I didn't tell no lies on you. I didn't once told any lies on you because you yourself just said, you could have helped me. So why did you leave off the other parts where you did say, I'm say, darling, I will think about that. And I never come back to you because I'm telling myself, why on earth would I give this person my page? And I built my page up from where it is to where it is now. Let me continue to trod my journey by myself. If me forget clout, me will get clout. If me not get it, oh well. At least I know I have genuine people on my page who actually likes me. You know, that's all I care for. I don't care for the big numbers. Like how you talk about people is jealous of you for your. Listen. That's what you did to the boys. You tear them down. You tore them down because you could, but you tore them down because they was dumb. Thank the Lord I wasn't dumb enough to give you my page. Thank the Lord. And you could cuss till God come. I never once told any lies on you. But wait, I'm going to show you something. I bet you can't say this is lie too. Wait, Majesty, you wait. I'm going to show you at the end of this live. I'm going to show social people when we're showing it on a screenshot it. Bring and show the people them. Go and show the people them when me done the live. I'm going to show them something. Or no. Send it, screenshot it, and send it. Go get the people them. Because none of them on here, they are wicked. They're not loyal. And me, I'm not a person. I am not a wicked person. I am not a wicked person. I really am not. I'm not a wicked person. I want the best for everyone. I really do. Whether they like me or not, I really want the best for everyone. I do, including him. But he's a wicked person. That's why he tore the boys down. That's why he was so upset about the 30%. Knowing damn well he has so much money. Why should you care about? Look at it. I help people on social media. Right? And I never asked him for anything. I just did it because it was the right thing to do. Why did you love money so much? You love money so much. That's why you did the boys and like that, because they wasn't happy with giving the 30%, and perhaps you was ashamed that they was gonna go on the page and expose you. So what you did, you locked them out of the page. Man, you're wicked. You're wicked. Listen, you are wicked. And any of those females over there who wanna curse me for my disability, who wanna curse me for my one discolored teeth, or for however if I'm swollen, whatever the case may be, go right ahead. I don't care. I truly don't care. But let me listen to what he had to say. Listen to his reasoning.
The most me ever probably said to do with that is that me can help you. Me never say nothing about sign over.
You hear him? Me can help you. So why you left that other part?
Say that to Dana. Did that help Dana for monetize back in the...
Hold on. Majesty, how was he going to help me? Have you ever once shared out any of my videos? People pick sense out of nonsense. I don't need to tell lies on this dirty man. Pick sense out of nonsense. Okay, he said he could help me, right? He said he could help me. Bear in mind, if someone offers to help you, and they said, okay, Dwayne, I would say, Sugar Bloom Plum, I would share you out every time you go on your live. Isn't that helping someone? Why didn't he help me? That is because I didn't take him up on his offer. He wanted my page. And I don't need to tell Majesty, I don't need to tell no lies on you. You are the liar. You are the liar. And you and your followers can tear me down till God come. I don't care. I don't care, Majesty. I don't care anymore. Curse me all you want, but curse me for the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. You understand?